tired of manual bending tools slowing you down, the Garvee 3000W Electric Hydraulic Rebar Bender is designed to bring serious power and efficiency to your workflow. This isn't a light-duty hand tool. It's a dedicated bending machine built for contractors, fabrication shops, and serious DIY builders who need consistent and accurate bends. The first thing that stands out is the 3000-watt motor paired with a hydraulic bending system. Hydraulic power makes a big difference when working with thick steel. Instead of relying on physical leverage or mechanical torque alone, the hydraulic system delivers smooth, controlled force that handles demanding material with less strain on the operator. That translates to cleaner bends and less fatigue over long projects. One of the biggest advantages of a powered rebar bender like this is speed and repeatability. When you're bending multiple bars to the same angle, consistency matters. With adjustable bending capability from 0 to 180 degrees, you can set your desired angle and produce repeat bends efficiently. Whether you're forming stirrups, hooks, or structural reinforcement pieces, having precise angle control saves both time and material waste. The capacity to bend steel up to 1.3 inches in diameter puts this machine in the heavy-duty category. That level of thickness is commonly used in structural applications, foundations, and reinforced concrete projects. Instead of outsourcing bending work or wrestling with manual tools, you can handle thicker stock in-house. The 110-volt operation is another practical advantage. You don't need specialized industrial power to run it. Standard job site or workshop outlets are typically sufficient, making it easier to integrate into existing setups. That flexibility can be especially useful for contractors who move between job sites. The foot pedal control adds another layer of convenience and safety. Hands-free activation allows you to position material properly while controlling the bend cycle with your foot. This setup can improve workflow efficiency and reduce awkward positioning when working with longer bars. It also helps maintain better control over the bending process. Durability is key when it comes to steelworking tools. A machine like this is expected to handle repeated heavy loads, so solid construction and stable housing are important. A well-built frame minimizes vibration during operation, which contributes to more accurate bends and longer component life. Another important factor is safety. Powered rebar benders should always be used with proper protective equipment and awareness of pinch points and moving parts. When dealing with thick steel and hydraulic force, responsible operation is essential. Ensuring the machine is placed on a stable surface and following the manufacturer's operating guidelines will help maintain safe and reliable performance. Compared to manual rebar benders, the time savings can be significant. Manual bending often requires considerable physical effort and may result in inconsistent angles, especially over repetitive work. With an electric hydraulic system, you reduce strain while improving accuracy. For contractors managing larger construction projects, that efficiency can directly impact timelines and labor costs. For small fabrication shops, this type of machine can also expand capabilities. Instead of relying on outsourced services for heavier bending tasks, you gain more control over production schedules. That flexibility can improve turnaround times and project management. If you're primarily working with thinner rods occasionally, this may be more power than you need. But for frequent bending of medium to thick rebar, the 3000W hydraulic system and 1.3-inch capacity provide a strong balance between power and practicality. Overall, the Garvee Electric Hydraulic Rebar Bender delivers high-capacity bending, adjustable 0 to 180-degree precision, and job site-friendly 110V compatibility. It's built for professionals who need reliable steel bending performance without stepping into full industrial-scale equipment. If you'd like to review detailed specifications, dimensions, or current pricing, you can check the product link in the description. Make sure the capacity and power requirements match your specific project needs before purchasing.